As I mentioned, this is the third time that I have invited Ravi to Signode to give his thoughtful processes, systems which we have learned in the past. The very same contents we have invited this time for design for excellence. Now coming back, any trainer or consultant does not give a drawing or a design concept so that you can change tomorrow. Igniting minds, bringing in thought process, provoking what needs to be done for the future requirements is what exactly is needed. And I truly appreciate and then compliment Ravi for the way he has put in very methodically, which is easily understandable for each and every one of us. And I'm sure most of us, or all of us, must have paid great amount of attention inside what needs to be done to bring in the changes that what we are doing in the business day to day. And that speaks for itself. I am very confident. I have witnessed this in value stream mapping. What we used to do in the past versus what are we doing now, which is the predominant results that we have seen, which we are enjoying even today. And I have also seen great amount of changes, especially for the exclusively design team sitting here after we conducting the design for excellence training session in Rudra a couple of years back. And this is the third one. And I'm equally hopeful, sure of all of us thinking towards change in bringing in innovation or adding value to all the tasks that what we have been doing. Thank you, Ravi, very much once again, and then I'm sure we'll keep your head high with your inputs by implementing, bringing in change for our own selves as well as for the business environment. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Stories of successful of organization, success stories, and learning out of the success stories we have listed down, and that listed down has been come from us. So it's self-learning from seeing success stories. And then we realized, rather reflected, what to do in our own life. And you made us the workshop where we realized that in given time, how innovative, with using speed and all these activities or rather characters to be followed, you made us in very simple way. And then after that, the second session, you filled at least me with a lot of spirit to check for innovation. Thanks a lot.
Important thing which made me to understand is design thinking. Design thinking is one like a generic sentence like in terms of some designing a process or something, but it's not that. Design thinking is something like empathy or reaching to the end user. How can we put our foot in the customer's shoe and see what the areas of improvement or pain points our customer expectation. Really, it's really a good tool or a process that we can implement in our day-to-day activities. So AI also you touched upon, which we are really I myself is lacking. Here I can also pursue my current areas of work. Thank you.
Thank you.